Hey everyone, I'm John. Today I'd like to talk about drivers, different drivers. Let's say printer drivers, video drivers, audio drivers, video drivers, camera drivers, all different kind of drivers. So a device, a new device, if you order a new device, it normally comes with a piece of software that that piece of software it communicates with the computer system. So without that, the piece of software, like a bridge, is not going to the operating system is not going to see that device. So that's why you need the software installed on the operating system for Windows to detect your device. Let's say you have a new camera, a webcam, and you want to use on your computer. So when you open the box, you should see a CD, a driver, a software driver. When you install it, it installs the driver, so the operating system can see that device. So, but if you lose the software, the CD, and you don't know where to download the driver. But normally you can go to the manufacturer website to download it, but sometimes it's harder to find the model of the device. So, for example, some webcam they don't tell you what model when you look at the webcam itself. It just tell the Logitech, for example, it just tell you the Logitech camera. It doesn't tell what exactly the model of it. Same thing with the video card. So when you look at the video card, it doesn't tell you anything about like what model of the video card. So it's very hard to find out the model of the without the model, you cannot find the driver. So today I like to talk about this website called sciencebase.com. Sciencebase.com. This website contains a huge database drivers for different kind of devices. No matter it's a camera, disk, joystick, memory chip, monitor, network card, PC, device, phone, port, keyboard, modem, mouse, network adapter, printers, USB, all this you can find here with different vendors. Vendors like Acer, Dell, Toshiba, Intel, XP, Sony, all different vendors. So, but of course, if you know the vendor, the model of the printer, for example, uh, if I search for, let's see, how about just camera and scanners? Just open it up. So you look for the submenu, the subfolder, the subcategory, so you can tell which vendor the camera is. For example, if I choose Epson, still spinning. Let me go back. Doesn't let me do anything. Okay, here it comes. So it found 309 different drivers. So it tells you the device name, but if you know the exact name, the model of the printer, the scanner, you type in here, search for it. But today I like to talk about, let's say you don't know anything about the model of it, the model of the device. Let's say the video card. I know all the video cards, they don't list it on, when you look at the video card, you don't see any model of it. You just don't know how to get the model of the video card. So the only thing you can do is go to the device manager. So I minimized to my desktop. I'll right click my computer, go to device manager, go to manage. And then on the sub list here, you see device manager, click on it. So as you can see, all my drivers are installed, no problem. So if you have something is in 0, that means the driver is missing for that piece of device. So let's say you have a video card driver. So if you click this arrow, click on it, it opens up the sub items. So if you have an item that has a 0 warning, that means the driver is not installed. Let's say this one is a 0 icon missing the driver. So I highlight this one, right click on it, go to properties, and it says this device working properly, so no problem. So if you look for the device ID, that's under the events tab. So this tells you the basic display, the device ID. That's the device ID. There's a whole lot of numbers. That's all these things. But you don't. I need to copy partial of the whole name. So you can tell this DEV, that means the device. That's the vendor. Device ID. So if I can copy the whole thing from here to here, that's something else from this point to here. So if I copy from the whole from the beginning to the end of this number, right click on it, copy, and then go back to that sciencebase.com website, and I'm gonna do a search. You can see the driver search by device ID here in this box. So click on it, Control V for paste, and then hit search. So it's found 3 drivers. The first one is not the driver. It's the, if you highlight this one, it says that is setup agent. If you look at the bottom here, right here, you see that it's device agent setup. That's not the driver. So the three drivers, 1, 2, 3 here. So it tells you that our database contains 3 drivers. So that's these 3. But if you look closer, it says the operating system Vista, Windows 7, 64-bit, Windows 7. So it depends your operating system. My Windows, my Windows 8.1, so 64-bit. So Windows 8 and 7 they're similar. So for me, I would just download this one. If you're not sure what operating system your computer is, you can always go to right click this system. It tells that the system is 64-bit Windows 8.1 Pro. That's why I'm using this one. So you just download it, click download, and then it save it. That's